Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 107 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old mates over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build this 1/6 scale Mustang with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have this on your bench and be building along with me. Let's have a quick scope through this week's magazine. Mustang model cars there, and a 3G GT40 Mark IIs there. Look at them. Nice, it looks nice in gold as well, doesn't it? Certificate here of authenticity there for the 62 Ford Mustang 1 concept. This is a limited of 499 examples in 24th scale of the Mustang 1 concept car of 1962. Bet they're worth a few quid now. Other scales there, this is the 1/18th scale Shelby Cobra Daytona, a model of the car that won the 65 Sebring 12 Hours. The remarkable kit features photo engraved parts made of polyester resin, and assembling it is a thrilling experience. I bet it is. Today's parts are the chassis front panel, and this is going to be joining the two fenders together, or if you're in the UK, the front wings. All the different bits going on top of it, and then what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Ford story there is the Ford Raptor, the off-road beast. First generation of the F-150 Raptor was the fastest off-road pickup produced in North America. Looks a bit of a beast, doesn't it? Interior of that looks stunning, doesn't it? Really nice, I like that. Interior included maximum equipment and a new design offering its occupants new great comfort. And that's the European Ranger Raptor, has a 213 HP diesel engine and an exterior aesthetic similar to that of its larger US cousin. Yeah. F-150 there have been offered with two bodies, the extended cab on the right and the double cabin in the foreground. And the second generation of the F-150 Lightning, sold between 1999 and 2004, demonstrated with this model it is possible to drive a pickup on the racetrack. But that's the magazine done, folks. We'll put this to one side, we'll bring our parts in, and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right. We got number 107 there arriving in its nice box. So we'll quickly open that, see what we've got. And this is the chassis front panel, folks. And we got some clips there and PS8 screws. So let's open them. And we'll be attaching that with one screw each. So let's put the spare in the bag. Pop the bag out the way. Shove the knife over there. Grab a screw. We'll put a bit of oil on it now. Just like that. Let that run down the thread. And then we can put these clips in place then. We want to orientate that with the angle parts towards us there. Or away from us actually, should I say. And then the clips are going in at the front there like so. Okay, one there. And then the other one will be going like that. It can only go to one way. Large and small. Like so. Okay, so we can drop that in and pop a screw in there now, and that will retain that in place for us. So let's do that. Remember, you're going into plastics. Don't over tighten the screw, folks, not on these. If you do over tighten it and it strips the thread out, then what you can do is you can drop some super glue down into the hole and then put a dab each side, fit it, put the screw in, and then the super glue will bond the screw in place. Super glue, GS Hypo, anything like that should do the trick for you, just in case. Just like so. So that's those in place. Nice and easy, folks, that. So that's what we've got there. So that's that issue now complete. So we'll be parking this now until we start assembling the front body work and the wings, etc. to it in future issues, folks. So that's that sorted. Don't forget to help me out, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell whilst you're there and all of that. To grab this for yourself and build along with me, hop over to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bop. And you too can be building this 1/6 scale Mustang. Remember, thumbs up the video and hype it to help me out. Pushes the video out, gets more people coming to the channel. Just helps it grow and it helps me keep the content coming and the channel alive, folks. That's what it's all about, isn't it? In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.